Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Mois and I am a student of 4th standard. Today I would like to talk about power of mind. As you all know, you have mind, but we don't take it. We take it as a normal thing, like we take it as our leg, a normal body part. But you don't know the power that mind carries. That is too much. Your mind is so much powerful. I want to narrate a story of a girl who lives in France. She is blind, but she thinks whenever I go to the specific place in a France, so I will become normal. His mind adopt that thing, and when she went there, so she became normal. And this is also an example of power of mind. If you are becoming dead and your mind adopt that I will not dead, so you can alive. And your mind can make antidotes of things, like if you are a cancer patient, but you believe that I will not die, there is nothing that happened with me, so your mind can make the antidote and you become normal. Nothing happened. Just believe. Believing is very much important. And if you have self-confidence, so you are lucky, because you can speak anything. Like a good public speaker has self-confidence. They can speak anything in public they want. And the mind is powerful. How? Because you think when you sleep, your mind can't be sleep. Your mind works 24 hours in a day. If you are sleeping and then a noise comes, so you will wake up, because your mind is waking at that time, and it is feeling sensation and etc. And I would like to say that if you have the power of believers, like you believe in Almighty, you believe that if there is nothing happening, so I don't be die. Like there is a war happened before some time, and some people are die with a heart attack in Mandi. A girl died with a heart attack because she's scared. But if you have self-confidence and if you don't scared, so when something happen like that, like war or something that make you scared, so you can't be die. And mind is important for us. Some people say you that you are dull, you don't know anything, you can't be successful, you cannot do anything, you are dull. So ignore them. If you have a good mindset, so you can be successful. If you have negative mindset, so the negative things come to you. But if you have positive mindset, so positive things come to you and you can be successful. If you are successful, so when you die, an image carry, a legacy you carry, that is much important. Your parents will proud about you that he is my son, he do that thing. And if you be alive, so your teachers, your students, your elders will proud to you. Why? Because you are successful. Train people, like if you are working in a positive way, so tell others that work in a positive way. Don't think negative. If you think negative, so the negative effect comes to you. But if you think positive, so the positive effects come to you. At the last, I would like to say that think positive, maintain your mindset, don't indulge in drugs and that bad things, so you can be successful. Thank you. Have a nice day.